Unedited, unscripted. I can't do it. Big what, 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 two what, big what, big what. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipé Charming. I am going to be showing you how I pretty much twist my hair under my durag. We're all mid-quarantine, so it's very like I'm doing my curly hair routine only to lay it on my bed and smush my hair, you know, while I'm working from home. Or most guys like to wear durags, so I just thought this would be a great video for anyone who likes wearing their durags but doesn't want to smush their hair. Like, just smush your hair under their durag, actually wear your hair in like a protective style. It can double as a twist out, but I mean, if I wear it too many days, once I take it out, it may not be, you know what I mean? But I just personally, I just like to do this because I'm growing my hair out, and this is what just works for me. It works comfortably. The reason why I'm making this video too is because my most viral video, which is this video right here, on my flat twist routine that I did a couple years back. Like, I turned my comments back on for that video, and a lot of people were saying how they couldn't really see what I was doing in that video or my updated video. So I did my best to make it a point for you guys to be able to see what I was doing. I'm really hoping that that reflects in this video. Be sure to follow me on all my social media if you guys want more posts. If you guys like these kind of videos, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Interested in seeing more of my content, just comment down below what you're interested in seeing. And yeah, so starting off with freshly co-washed hair, meaning I just washed it with conditioner and then I just dried it off, and then I'm detangling it using my pick. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this defining cream by Shea Moisture. Shout out to them for sending me this product. I like to lather this all over my hair just to add a little bit of moisture without overly moisturizing my hair. If you prefer to go ahead and section your hair off into different sections just to make it easier for you, then you definitely can go ahead and do that. This is just what works for me and my hair length. I part my hair on my left side, just personal preference, just in case I want to wear this as a twist out like I mentioned. You don't have to do this, but this is just me. And yes, I use my pick. Cringe all you like. I separate my sections using my fingers. I am lathering on some product. If you're wondering what I'm using while twisting my hair, I'm using this beeswax by Cera de Abeja. I'll link it below if I can find it. I take the two tiniest sections I can possibly grip and I pull one over the other. Just pull and tuck. And when you're at the root, you want to grip as tight as you can. It may not come out perfect during your first try. That's perfectly fine. I actually messed up while I was filming this. I just started growing my hair back out, so it's been a while since I've done this. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that. This side was slightly out of focus, but when I get to the top half, you'll see everything that I'm doing. But you pretty much just want to pull and tuck, grip at the root until you get to the bottom, and just pretty much twist it with your finger in the direction that you twisted the hair. And this is the end result. So you want to pretty much repeat the same steps. You want to grip the two smallest pieces that you can to start. Pull and tuck. Sorry if this is a little bit out of focus. Again, you'll be able to see the top half a lot clearer. Just be patient with me. Bear with me. Pull and tuck, and you see how my first twist is getting caught in my second twist. Yeah, you want to make sure that you're sectioning them off as you're doing it. But I left this in just so that you guys could see that does happen. This is going to happen, but I did fix it once I was done with my hair. Yeah, if you see me bobbing my head, it's because I was listening to music while I was doing this. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me time lapse through some of these, and I'm gonna get back once I get to the top of my head. Alright, so we're at the top. Taking my finger, I'm going to go ahead and pretty much section off the section that I'm going to be working with. And just like I did with the other parts, I only use my fingers in between. Keep in mind, like I said, this isn't a hairstyle of aesthetic, it's a hairstyle of function. At least for me in particular, I did used to wear these out way back when. Maybe if once my hair gets a little bit longer and my skills kind of sharpen up a little bit again, I'll be able to go ahead and kind of style these and make them aesthetically pleasing. Being that this was filmed roughly 2 weeks ago, my hair is probably a centimeter longer than it was back then, but in due time, y'all be patient, stay tuned, because the hair videos are coming, because I'm getting back into my natural hair. But yeah, you just want to part it with your finger, and then you want to take about this much, rub it in your fingers. This is the beeswax, by the way, and then kind of just lather it onto the section that you're working with. And you want to make sure that it's not too heavily clumped in any area. Kind of finger comb it, at least that's what I do. And I did run a comb through this after, so that you can kind of get her braidable or twistable. And you can comb her through. Make sure every strand of hair is covered with that product. Not too much, not too little, just enough. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. And once again, taking your two tiniest sections that you can possibly grip, you want to push down and pull, push down and pull. You literally want to take the section that's up top, the higher section, and twist it under and over the under section. Take that piece, grip it tight, pause, and then pull it over and under, over and under. And when you're gripping the bottom piece that is on the scalp, you want to pull it and grip it as tight as you can, and kind of just keep doing that until you get the look that you're going for. I would suggest starting with the smallest sections possible, regardless of your hair length. I just think it has the better outcome. And even with this video, I could have made smaller sections, but for demonstration purposes, this is the size that I went with. Now, this section is harder for me to do, and something else that I did want to touch on when it comes to your more dominant hand while you're twisting your hair. For me personally, my more dominant hand is my right hand. Anytime that I'm doing braids that are going to the right, they're going to come out better than the braids that are going to the left. Twists that are going to the left. They're always going to come out better. As you can see there, they look 1,000 times better on this side than they do on that side. But that's just because that's my hand of dominance. So you want to lean more towards, if you want to wear these out, you want to lean towards doing styles that kind of accommodate your more dominant hand. But again, you want to go ahead and twist and pull, and when you're twisting, you want to press down, press. I play too much. You want to press down pretty much as flat to the root as you possibly can, and just twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull, until you get down to the bottom, and you want to twist the hair in the same direction as the twist. Now, I did cut my ends off a lot while filming this, only because it is extremely difficult to film every parameter of your head while you're twisting your hair and get it on camera. It's really, really hard. It's way harder than it looks. That's why I haven't done this in years. But since I started growing my hair out again, I wanted to revisit this pretty much this content on my channel. Once I teach myself how to braid my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys that too. Just stay tuned, subscribe. The content is coming. I promise, it definitely is. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off using my finger and just pretty much repeat this step over and over. With that being said, I'm gonna let y'all watch me finish the rest of my head. Pause. And yeah, I'll get back with y'all. So this is the final result after all of that twisting. I know they're not absolutely positively perfect, but keep in mind, like I said, this is pretty much how I wear my hair under my do-rags, just as a protective style, just so that I'm not drying my hair out underneath. If you guys want me to part them all neat and stuff and make a video on that, I can go ahead and do that per your request. Just comment down below. And I'm also going to be making a video on how I tie my do-rags. That's probably going to be my next upload. Just, you know, stay tuned, subscribe, and don't mind me, I'm being silly. Peace!